everyone, I'm Christina, and today I want to show you how we make our farm fresh pickled quail eggs. You really could use this for any type of egg, but my husband really loves these little bite-sized buttery quail eggs pickled just so. This is a really easy recipe. All you need are your hard-boiled eggs in a mason jar. I have another video that shows you how to hard-boil quail eggs in an Instant Pot. I'll put the link below. I like to have a funnel. Then you're going to use whole allspice, whole cloves, mustard seeds, peppercorns, some salt. I use Redmond's sea salt, a clove of garlic, a pot, and some distilled white vinegar. Here's how we do it. To begin, you need 2 cups of white vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. I don't recommend that you use iodized salt. It's going to give you a very different flavor. I really like Redmond's sea salt. I just think it's really tasty. I know it doesn't have any plastic particles in it because it's harvested from ancient seabeds, and it has lots of good trace minerals in it. Our garlic, this is a really large clove. I actually cut it from an elephant garlic. If you're using regular garlic, I would recommend 2 cloves. And about 10 peppercorns. Yes, I count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 in this case. Allspice, about 6 cloves. 3, 6. Whole cloves. I usually do about 2. Maybe I'll do 3 today. Okay. And then the mustard seeds, that's 1 teaspoon. Now we move over to the stove. The idea here is to completely dissolve all that salt and also to bring the vinegar just to a boil. Stirring will help dissolve that salt, as will the heat. All right, you can see that's beginning to come to a boil. That's good enough. All right, once that brine is ready, I like to use my funnel. You could just use a ladle or something like that. And you're going to pour it all in. Now you can just put a lid on it and let it cool down just a little bit before you put this in the refrigerator. I always recommend letting pickled products sit for a little while so that all the good flavors in that brine absorb into whatever food you are pickling, in this case, eggs. You don't need to wait a week, however, like a lot of recipes will say, and that's just because those quail eggs are so small, they just absorb the flavor a bit more rapidly. So I give it 3 or 4 days, and usually my husband can't wait even that long sometimes, and they're delicious. I do want to mention that there are no tested safe recipes for canning eggs. So I know there are people who water bath pickled eggs and put them on the shelf, but that is not considered safe. There's no way to know for sure that those eggs are then safe. So this recipe should only be used, or any pickled egg recipe really, should only be used for refrigerator eggs. I hope you enjoy. Bye.